that is? That's a crash pad.
Right. Tell us about this crash pad here. It's like a pillow.
If you get into an accident, that's what you hit. That's what
Yeah.
yeah.
So there's no airbag back there.
Nope. I think in 1990, maybe 91 was the airbag.
Yeah.
Airbag went in there later on.
That's kind of a cool idea, though. You know, I mean, it's better than nothing.
I think Department of Transportation, you know, said you got to put something there.
Right.
Because in front of there, for the longest, I think there was nothing. See, so 77 had nothing. Yeah, the rules and regulations changed. Like my 70s, these were farther back, or they sloped down, or there's a glove box, or not a glove box, but a little storage pouch across the front as well.
Because
So-
the glove box technically is in where the armrest is at on this car, right here, right?
Oh no, you have a glove box. Technically, you kind of have a glove box back here as well.
Yeah. Okay.
You have
In
a
the
little
rear.
spot, yeah, in the rear.
Yeah.
So.